Hello, so today we'll be using icon map with tooltip in Power BI. So we'll get the icon map in the get visuals and then just add it on the Power BI. So we currently have no data, but we're gonna manually input our data. So it will be a SpongeBob characters and their locations. And the location will be on the Google map. We'll use that. And maybe on another video if you want to learn how to automate the detection of latitude and longitude using the given address. So yeah, maybe the gender area, but no, I don't want to get cancelled. So yeah, we'll delete that. And yeah, so I used unique ID just to identify which characters are which. It is a nice practice to have a unique ID. Then yeah, in here in the Google map, just gonna right click to copy the latitude and longitude. And yeah, this SpongeBob places looks good. I don't really need to voice over anymore because you could already see or watch what I'm doing. So yeah, what's the essence of me voice overing? Yeah. We really can't find Squidward any location, so we're just gonna use Mr. Krabs in here because there's no Squidward house, Squidward restaurant. So Mr. Krabs, maybe Squidward is having a dormitory rent on Mr. Krabs restaurant. I really think Squidward is 44 years old. I mean, the age of 40 is the existential crisis already. Yeah. So we load it. And yep. We use the icon map and then drag the data that we want. So for the category, it's always the character names and then latitude and longitude. Make sure it is on average, not sum or count, but on average. Then the unique ID will be distinct. Yeah, it would look like this. With the blue dots. So to make it fancy, we want to add icons. That's why it's icon map. So we want to add a specific icon for a specific character, right? So yeah, on the objects and the visuals, so we use a hosting image. So posting image.cc thanks. Yeah, there you go. And then the size will be 100. We add the measure so that since it's all SpongeBob, we want to have a case condition where if it is a Squidward or Patrick location, the icon will be Squidward or Patrick. So we have a what they call it is a DAX query that we'll be using as a measurement measure. So yeah, so this DAX query means that if we select the value of SpongeBob, then it will show the image or icon of SpongeBob, and then if it is Patrick, it will be Patrick. Yeah. and go there, and yep, there it is. There is Squidward. Squidward and Patrick are almost in near location. Yeah, add more the title. Yeah, just want to make it fancy, and then yeah. So when we hover it, we'll just see the character names and the unique ID, but we want more info about it, like the age and the address. So we'll use info tooltip for that. So uh, go to the format page and then for the canvas and then set tooltip. Here we'll set the character names in there. So once we hover the icon later, it will show more info about the data. The connection in here is the unique ID. So yeah, later we'll see it. Yep. The character age will be, yeah, make sure that it's like the maximum or minimum. It doesn't matter if you choose maximum or minimum because it is uh a specific icon that we're gonna pick later. There. Patrick is the best character in SpongeBob. Less annoying than SpongeBob. Yeah, though, and there we use the unique ID. Then back in the icon map visual, we set the tooltip as page auto and then select the page as tooltip. There you go it. Hello, so today we'll be using icon map with tooltip in Power BI. So we'll get the icon map in the get visuals and then just add it on the Power BI. So we currently have no data, but we're gonna manually input our data. So it will be a SpongeBob characters and their locations. And the location